We'll be using Polypad tools embedded inside this Desmos activity to make some geometric constructions. The first construction is to copy this line segment AB to another line segment DE. So we don't see point D or point E yet because these are points that lie on a line. So to get that line, we're going to use this drawing tool here. And we can use the black, which is the default color, or you can change it to a different color if you'd prefer. I'll use red then. And then we're going to use this ruler tool because that helps us draw a straight line. So we're just going to draw a line like that. And that's going to be a line that point D and point E will live on. So now I'm going to use this construction tool and place point D right there. And now I'm going to go back to my move tool. I want to measure AB with my compass. So it snaps in place there. And then I am going to mark the distance from A to B. So there's my distance from A to B. As you can see, if I swing an arc, it goes right through point B. So now without changing the compass setting, I'm going to reposition my compass here and pressing on that pencil point where that arc intersects the line is going to be point E. So now I can grab my text tool, and this is, I can make it bigger if I want. This is point D. And then I'm going to copy that text and reposition this to point E. So that is how we copy line segment AB to line segment DE. Next construction is the perpendicular bisector of a segment. This is a fun one to construct. I always start with my point at the left here. And you want to open up your compass so it's a little bit more than halfway. And mine already is, so I don't have to change that, but I could if I wanted to. And I'm going to swing an arc that goes below the segment to above the segment. So I'm going to start down here. And then I'm going to push the pencil like that. And now I'm going to reposition my compass point, swing the compass, and then pushing on the pencil, I am making my second arc. Where these two arcs intersect, I am going to now draw a straight line going through there, and that is going to be the perpendicular bisector of CD. So this black line intersects the line segment CD at a right angle, and also it has bisected it. So these two parts of the segment are congruent, and this little point in the middle is actually the midpoint of CD. So we could definitely label it as point M for midpoint if we wanted to. Okay, you have more constructions, so we'll let you try a couple of others on your own.